माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे जिंदगी में कुछ चीज़ें रैंडम होती है एंड मैनी थिंग्स आर इन पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न. In our day-to-day life, we see in Diwali, our house is decorated with this lighting series. It follows a specific pattern. And in our classroom, we see the benches and desks are arranged in a particular pattern. Similarly, when we see our question paper, here we have section A, section B with number of questions fixed here and number of questions fixed here. It follows a specific pattern. So let us study the part number 4, pattern of chapter 2. In this pattern, the section 1 is understanding pattern and our section number 2 is observing pattern, pattern observation. So this was the first section of part 4, that is understanding pattern. Now let us come down to the part 2, that is section 2, observation of patterns. In this observation of pattern, we want to understand the pattern with respect to a line, with respect to triangle, a rectangle and a square, even more. So to understand this, let us take the whole numbers. This is whole number 1. Let us represent this by 1 dot. Whole number 2. How many dots? 2 dots. 3, 3 dot. 4, 4 dots. And so on and so forth. Right, my dear student? Now let me explain each whole number with respect to these dots and with respect to all these 4 figures, as in line, triangle, rectangle and a square. Right? So coming down to the first point, this is the first point. क्या ये line represent करता है? No. Neither triangle nor square. So point is simply a point without any specific pattern. Now if I take 2 points, does it represent a line? Yes. Does it represent a triangle? No. Why? Because triangle requires how many points? 3 points. Square का तो scope ही नहीं है. Now let us come down to 3 points. Now tell me, these 3 points form a? Yes, line. Does these 3 points form a triangle? Yes, they form a triangle. But these 3 points form a square? No, because this requires one more point to form a square. Now in this triangle, you see all points are at equal distances. In this square, you see all the points are at equal distances. For forming triangle or for forming square, all the points should be at equal distances, right? Now let us understand these patterns with respect to more numbers. So if we take 4 dots, as in whole number 4. Now these 4 dots represent a line. This also represent a triangle. Yes, it is? No, because triangle requires 3 points. If I keep the 4 point, all the points are not at equal distance. So it doesn't represent a triangle. Now this 4 point of course represent what? Yes, square, because minimum requirement for square to be formed are 4 points. Now let us understand the same with respect to this 5 dots. That means whole number 5. Now tell me, my dear friends, ये 5 क्या line represent करता है? Yes, it represents a line. Now this 5 represents a triangle, is it? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. Rest 2 points. Where will you keep? It is not at equal distance. Therefore, it is not forming a triangle. Now this 5 points form a square. Let me find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the 5th point? We cannot keep it in such a place where all points will be at equal distance. Therefore, 5 point doesn't form a square. Now, you must understand, ऐसा कौन सा whole number है जिसमें सारे points cover हो जाते हैं? Let us see this 6th dot, that is 6 whole number. Now 6 whole number forms a line. Does this 6 whole number forms a triangle? Let us see. 1, 2, 3. Now हर एक साइड में बीचों बीच में एक मिड पॉइंट में आप एक पॉइंट डाल दो. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this forms a triangle. What about this? Now square has how many points? 4 points. 2 more points. Therefore this forms a rectangle. Therefore 6 dot forms a line, forms a triangle and forms a rectangle. Is this okay? That is how we observe the pattern. Let us understand few more patterns. Now we are going to understand the triangular pattern. Now what are these triangular patterns, my dear friends? We see triangular patterns in numbers like a point, a dot. Dot represent any figure, therefore it represents a triangle. Similarly, 3 dot represents, yes, a triangle. 6 dot represents, again, a triangle, as you can see. Similarly, 10 dot also represents a triangle like this. So what you observe, 1, 3, 6, 10, all represent triangles. And what is the idea of triangle? All these triangles have their sides with equal number of dots. This is the condition. Now, from these triangular numbers, a simple question arises. Can we form square numbers? Yes. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 6, yes, 9. 6 plus 10, 16. 4, 9, 16 are what kind of numbers? Yes, they are square numbers. So let us understand, how can I find square with respect to these triangles? So here we go. Now this is a dot. Now there are 3 dots and triangle in front of you. If I take this dot over here, then it forms a square. Right? Now let us remove this point and again come back to 3 dots. Now these 3 dots can be named as A, B, C. From this B point, if I rotate and keep it here, then this 6 plus 3 forms a square of how many value? 9 value. Similarly, if I remove these 3 points and if I rotate this 6 over here, then it forms a square of how many value? 16 value. So this 4, 9 and 16 forms what kind of numbers? Square numbers. That's great.